have you ever wondered what soccer has to do with physics? Well, actually, if you think about it, it has to do a lot with physics. Okay, for example, Newton's first law of motion, when when an object is in motion, it will remain in motion until it's acted upon. And an object at rest will remain at rest until acted upon by an unbalanced force. Come with me and I'll show you. Hey, Danielle.
Hey, Amber.
Hey, Fancy.
Hey, Amber.
Hey. Would y'all help me explain Newton's first law of motion?
Sure.
Alright, well, we need someone to kick this ball. Alright, see, this ball is going to keep moving until acted upon by a force. Since there is no unbalanced force acting upon the ball, the only forces that's going to stop it is gravity and friction. Friction is two objects rubbing together.
Now with a projectile.
Alright, a projectile is an object being thrown in the air. For example, this ball hitting Fancy's head. Like that. You can use anything that makes it a projectile. For example, if I could pick Fancy up and throw her through the air, she would then be called a projectile. Alright, we already discussed Newton's first law of motion, so now we're going to discuss Newton's second law of motion. And here's an easy way to explain it. A person with more mass is going to try to push me, and since I have less mass, I'm going to be easier to move. And see, if I try to push her, it's going to be harder for me to move her because she has more mass and I have less. Let us show you. Okay, so you see how she pushed me down because she has more mass than me. Now, I want to try to push her back. See, no fall because she has more mass than I do.
Okay, now you know Newton's first law and second law. What about Newton's third law? Newton's third law states that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. It's kind of like when you hit somebody, they're going to hit you back.
Fancy, what you be saying about me?
Nothing, you got a problem?
No, God, you deserve that. You be talking about me.
No, I don't.
From me.
Why don't you shut up?
You know you. Oh no, you just did.
Something else you need to know is mu. Mu means the coefficient of friction. And that means is how rough or slippery it is on a surface. Come on and I'll show you.
Alright.
Amber is going to try to push and drag Fancy on the floor. You see how Fancy is kind of easy to slide on this surface because it's slippery. Now let's go out on the concrete. Drag Fancy on concrete because concrete has a higher mu